All right, finally, my play is United Airlines, a trending ticker on Yahoo Finance. United shares slumping on a pessimistic outlook for the current quarter. You can see shares off 6.5%. UAL expects an adjusted loss per share between 60 cents and $1 due to expenses related to this new collective bargaining agreement with employees that are represented by the Pilots Association. In a filing, United says they continue to see, quote, a strong demand environment and now expects first quarter 23 operating revenue up approximately 50% versus Q1 of 22. But they added that January and February were lower demand months. Increased fuel prices also weighed in on cost there. Elsewhere in the sector, Southwest, Alaska, Spirit Airlines gave weak to lackluster guidance, while JetBlue said it continues to experience, quote, robust travel demand trends. They were up solidly earlier in the day, have cut back down to earth. So a bit of a mixed look on an industry that has been on fire in recent months.
It has been on fire, and we had discussed many times that airlines continued to raise their fares, and it looked like consumers were willing to pay anything that was put forward in front of them. And when we got this latest revision here from United, from some of its peers out there in the industry, it looks like we may be seeing consumers pulling back just a little bit, or getting a little bit more cost conscious on what they are paying for fares, because it doesn't look like United, at least, is going to be able to be charging those same amounts here going forward.
Well, that was what stuck out to me, right, is it's the jet fuel. At some point, rising jet fuel prices, you can only cut costs so much, and really that does get passed on to the consumer. They had initially thought it was going to be $3.19. Look at that, updating the guidance to $3.31 to $3.41 per gallon of jet fuel. That's a pretty big bump there from what they were anticipating. So unfortunately, I don't know if that's going to mean cheaper tickets for us anytime soon, guys. I was hoping for it, but probably not.
I don't know. If demand continues to fall or pull back or not meet their expectations, we might be looking at lower prices sooner than we thought.
Tell you what, they got a mess on their hands with this storm hitting the East Coast. I have a flight delayed 2 hours. So
oh, no.
I think the whole coast is starting to see the impact of that one. Let's see how Southwest handles this one.
Oh, well, hopefully a lot better than they did at the end of December.